Hi guys! Coronavirus is all over the place. It's keeping us home, and basically the best way to fight it is to stay home and to eat healthy. So I'm here to give you very simple, easy to do recipes, and I'm gonna start with one of Lebanon's favorites, which is Balila. Check it out. First, we gotta soak some dried chickpeas. For this one, I'm gonna be using 400 grams, which serves approximately 4 people. To which I'm gonna add 2 liters of water. And 1 tablespoon of baking soda. The baking soda helps destroy the lectin that makes it not easy to digest. Let this sit for about 24 hours till the next day. In this case, I already did that before. Now I'm gonna strain them, rinse them, and boil them. Times of crisis, we get our good old friend here, pressure cooker that I'm sure you have at home. If not, you can simply boil them, and I'll tell you how. So I'm gonna put the chickpeas in with 3 liters of water. So if you don't have a pressure cooker, you have to add 4 liters into a pot and let it boil for about 70 minutes, so 1 hour and 10 minutes. But in this case, it will only take 30 minutes from the time it starts whistling. I'm gonna season the water with 1 tablespoon of salt. My big boy here has been whistling for 30 minutes now, so it's time to turn off the heat and let the pressure out. So once the steam is all out, it's safe to open it. Now I'm gonna strain it using a strainer and a bowl. I wanna keep the water. So now I'm gonna transfer the chickpeas into a clay bowl in which I'm gonna serve the dish. So now I know some of you prefer it when the chickpeas are a bit crushed, but I don't. It's a personal taste. You can always use something to crush them. I'm gonna keep them whole, and I'm gonna prepare the sauce. So in a bowl, I'm gonna press 1 lemon. About 70 grams of Lebanese olive oil and 1.5 teaspoons of cumin. I'm gonna whisk the whole thing. And I'm gonna add some of that water in which the chickpeas was boiling. So I'm not adding any salt because I used 1 tablespoon of salt in the water in which I cooked my chickpeas. Excellent. That looks great. So for the last step, it's definitely optional, it's my preference. I'm gonna saute some garlic. Now we want to stop before they turn red. That's enough. Turn off the heat. Add some coriander. And there we go. Now the last part is the cayenne pepper. I'm gonna give it a bit of chili. It's also up to taste. Extra cumin. So every single ingredient in that dish is a superfood, from the chickpeas to the cumin to the garlic to the olive oil that hasn't been heated. All of those components are great for you, and it's full of fiber and full of protein, perfect to keep you healthy during crisis. Enjoy!